Hi guys, welcome back to Bryans Thailand. Okay, a bit more of an update on the villa project. I'll just show you what's been done so far. Now, here they're running the pipe work around the boundary to the pump room for the water supply. That will go up to 2 water tanks that's here, the irrigation system and the house pumps. It'll be a unit just built there where the pipes are coming up through the concrete. We've got the irrigation pipe to put in yet. That runs down, so there's an outside tap, one here. We will be decorating the pipe up that's exposed against the wall, meaning okay, we'll spray it the same colour as the wall. I don't know what it is. I keep stuff out, make sure nothing gets stuck in the pipe. So for the lighting, so in a few days we've actually got to come in and start leveling all this ground out, clean it all up, putting the membrane down and putting the stone on top, and that's the stone there. So what they've done, they've added another stone feature, so it looks like the whole building's lifted off the ground, which looks absolutely amazing. This is actually the top terrace, so they're going to continue this all the way along and drop it down to the pump room. So got the feed there. Okay, so you got water supply running all the way down. This is one of the terrace walls, yeah, there, another one there. And here we have a 4-meter opening here, and that's going to be sloped. There's actually going to be about three steps to put in, with grass in between. So there's going to be 3 4-meter steps put in there, and you've got another terrace here, so it drops down again just below the finish there. And what do you think of this around the pool? Love this, what they've done here for the stonework. Yeah. And all inside the pool's tiled. So I'll just quickly show you. There's some water here, so you can actually probably see the colour of the tile when it's wet. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'll just show a little bit in here. A lot of dust around, so that's going to be the colour there. I know the water's a bit dirty, like there's a lot of dust around, but that's it. It's not good to walk around in sandals on site, like you get bits of stone stuck in your feet. Okay, so this is the shower area. So as you see, since the last time they built all this in all the way around the pump room, so that's going to create a bit more of a soundproof, so you don't hear the noise for the pumps going. This is the tap for the shower, little shelving where you can hold your shampoos and shampoos and shower gels and all that there. And then you have a rain shower that comes off here, and another tap that comes off there. As you see, they've started blocking the wall in now, so they've nearly finished all the stonework. Going into the pump room, starting to install the manifold for the swim pool, and doing the casing for the cover for the underground tank for the swimming pool. Bit of an echo in here. There's a solid door going on here, and like a vented, not a window as such, but there's like a vent that goes on there, and that will muffle the sound out into the street. Right, So, right, this is the sun wash. So all this area here is getting sun washed, and these are some of the samples that we're busy deciding which one to go for. You know, the black, the fleck, orange fleck, black fleck, normal, and the heavy black. So we're just going to decide which one. More than likely this one or this one. Looks really good. So this is all sun washed. The top of the steps will all be sun washed. In Thai they call it Sai Lang. Right, and here they've got all the tile installed. The wood effect around the edge here is all sand wash. All the way around. Just to make another like little sitting area feature. Sofa, a couple of chairs or something there. The doors are just arrived, the teak doors for there and for the house. So the opening's 180, so each door is 90 centimeters wide. And there, I think that's just one door on there, solid door. I think it's 120, if I remember rightly. The frames just come in, all being custom made. And as you can see, this just starting to paint. That's the actual colour. Yeah. Yeah. Just finishing off this here. Obviously they wanted to work out how they were actually going to do the step down. So from here to here is 100 centimeters, and there 100, because they didn't know whether to keep the same pattern right the way around. But I think that actually looks quite good. It's the same height, I should say. And they did all up at the top there. Kept that going all the way through. Originally that was all going to be stone there, but I think yeah, a little bit too much. But it looks absolutely fantastic. What they've done so far. Let's see. I don't think there's much been done inside, because the inside's just about all done. The only thing is the sparkly's got to come in, do their second fix, but not yet. Air cons have got to go in. The bath's arrived. And for the bath here. That's going to look amazing. Bathroom, shower area, so far so good. That's the top tile for here, which is it's like a granite, but it's a man-made granite, you know, so, and not cheap. Not too sure. No, it's not. It's not a man-made granite. It's actually a proper granite. Yeah, it's a proper granite. It's not man-made. That's me getting it wrong. All right. So, any more work in the kitchen today? No. I've got the extract in for the kitchen. Hob. That's in for the hob. The oven and microwave. Dishwasher. Sink. Cabinetry. Yeah, we talked about putting an island here, but we thought, oh, we're not bothered with this one. You know? 'Cause I think once the kitchen's in, we want to try and keep it open, you know, so the island's not really necessary. again. Just giving a final coat of paint on there, so we're ready to fit the toilet soon. So the plumber's got to come and do their second fix. The electrician's got to come in and do. Oh, they've already started. These are the type of switches that you have. That's a single on the marker there. That's a two-way switch. So that'll match up out in the hole. Yeah, I'll start putting the sockets in now. But yeah, we get the bases custom made. Alright. Yeah, so the start on here. Light switch. Okay, so it's only a single switch. That'll be for here. One over there. So there you go. Anyway, I had Gordon down. He enjoyed it, and I've also had Johnny from Johnny There's Something Happening. He absolutely loved it. So he did a video on this, so that'll be coming out soon, if it's not already out by the time this one comes out. So there's the pool. Right. Let's see what in the garage. Okay, I'll put the base coat on. Barley masks there. Obviously the staff's chill out area, lunchtime, and get the head down. So these are the pool tiles. The glass, blue glass, really beautiful. Yeah. 1-inch mosaics. Don't know where they're for. A scary statue. My guys actually been doing some really nice planters for there and there. I'll show you that, what they're doing. I'll show you the concept, the idea. So just extending that part up there. But absolutely amazing job of this wall. Seems to be the main feature of this house is the wall. But the quality of the build throughout is absolutely amazing. So that's the pump room there. Just getting this land ready. Like I said on the last video, it looks like we've got them 2 plots out there sold. Ready to start soon. And this is where they do a lot of the fabrication and storage of some of the equipment. All the shutter work gets stored over there. The welders and God knows what for the sheet work, for concrete work. That's me. So all over there is where they get ready for the next plot. This is on phase 2, leveling the land off. A bit of stone left over, which we will be using on some of the landscape. So there you go, guys. I'll put the drone up and show you some more. I'd like to do a video of the surrounding area. so you can actually see what we have local to us, like how far the golf course, because about a mile that way we have about 4 golf courses. So there's the waterside, the plantation, and the old course, and another one which they've just built. So that's like the Honda women's golf, which tournaments was held in here every 4 years, I think it is, or 3 years. Thailand's doing it again this year. So if you like playing golf, some great courses here. Got the Phoenix as well, which is over in Hoi Ai Way. Then you got the international schools. So like I say, I would like to try to figure out how to do it before you get a better visualization on doing this video of the surrounding areas, you know. So I'll give it a go. Okay, so I'll show you what's around the lake. Okay guys, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, share if you haven't already. Okay, I'll catch you later guys. Bye for now.